Hello, Professor Massimo. This is Vaibhav. I'll show you my final project for CSC438. I've created a drawing app using paper.js. Let me open the application. This is my application. Currently, I am logged in. Uh, this is the index page. This page shows all the images that has been created by all the users and made public. That has been made public. So for the image, there's two types of restrictions. One is public, and other is private. Private images are only viewable to the creator of the image, and public images uh, we are viewable to all the users of this website. So there are three buttons on this image. You can draw the image, you can upload the image, and you can go and look at all the images that you have created or uploaded. So let me first go through an upload image. So it's a basic SQL form that I have created. Let me choose a file. So let me choose this one and make it sunrise, and let me make it shareable and submit it. So this is my images page, which shows all the images that I have created or uploaded. And if I go back to index page, it shows that okay, this is the image sunrise created by VaibhavSharma, and it was created 9 seconds ago. If I go and view the image, I can see I can see the image, and being as I am logged in, I can edit and delete the image as well. So let me go and create a private image as well. Let me go and upload, and I'll choose, say I'll name it sunset, and I'll not click this thing, so it will remain private. I'll go and submit it. So my images shows both the sunrise and sunset, but if I go to the index page, it will just show sunrise because sunset has been was private. So let me go and now use the draw image button. So if I go to draw image, because I'm logged in, it will not ask me for the credentials, but if I am not logged in, it will ask for the credentials. On the right side of the page, it shows all the instructions to for how to draw on the canvas. So let me just go through over it. So by default, the color for the brush is black and the brush width is 1, but say user want to increase the brush size, so he or she just have to press any number from 2 to 9 in the increasing order. So the brush size will increase. Say if I want to have the brush size of 5, I'll just press 5, and this is the brush size of 5. If I want to have a brush size of 9, this is the brush size of 9. Also, user can change the color if he or she wants to have a different color apart from black. He can go from and press R for red, B blue, Y green, and Y yellow, and G green. So let me draw a red line. So this is a red line, and if I want to change to green, I can draw a green line. So this is a basic image. Let me just save it random, and make it private, and I'll go and save this image. So this the random image has been saved into my images. I can view it because like I am the creator of it. But if I go to the index page, I won't be it's not public, so I won't be able to see it, the or I will be able to see only the public images. So let me view it. I want to go and my images, and let me view the random. So this is the image that I have created just now. Let me, cause like I don't like it, let me delete this thing. I've deleted the image. Let me go and draw a better picture. So let me just type my name. uh, well, I don't like the eye, so let me just erase that as well. So if I press E and drag the mouse, it will erase it, and I can draw a better eye. So now let me save this signature for me, and I'll make it private. Save. This is a signature. I can view it, and now let me go and edit this image. I want to draw a line, a red line below the signature. So I'll press R and I'll drag it, and there's a line. And if I want to change the name, and I want to make S capital, so I'll save it, and I'll go and save it. So the signature has been saved, and if I go and view it, the file has been properly edited. Uh, Let me go back to my pages and let me edit one of the uploaded images as well. Let me go and edit. Let me just view it, and now I'll edit it. Um, Let me, I'll erase the mountains here. So what I will do, I'll press C and I'll just drag the mouse whichever part I don't like it, and I can go and erase it. And the mountain has okay has been erased, and I'll say mountain erased, and I'll share it this time. So I'll save it, and if I go to index page, I can see the image and I can view it. Apart from that, as a logged in user, I can comment in as well. So let me just say beautiful image, and I submit it. So if I go, I can see the comments as well, and any logged in user can be able to post the comments on the images. So let me just do one more thing. Let me log out for a second. If I log out, only I'll be only able to see the public images, and if I view it, I'll not get the option to edit and delete, but I can see the comment. I won't be able to comment it. If I want to comment it, I have to log in again. So I'll go back, and apart from that, this is my working project. Let me show you the code as well. So this is my for this application, I have two tables. One is the image table and another the comment table. So image table has the image title, canvas, which is in blob format. So everything. So if I am uploading an image, it uploads the image and saves it in the blob format. And if I am drawing an image, I convert it into a base 64, and it saves it in the blob format. And I have a permission boolean, and default by default I have made it false. Another table I have is the basic table for comment, which we had similar to one we had in the blog website. These are the two tables that I have. uh, the default.py has the index function which lists down all the all the images which are public. So this is the condition that I have image view permission is equal to true. Similarly, for my images, I have selected all the images that are created by the auth user ID. Upload images uses the SQL form, and for uploading the images. Draw new image, I create a specific form for it on the HTML side. I haven't used SQL form for it because I was facing problem using the SQL form using the blob format. So I didn't use that. I created a form, created HTML form. Similarly, I use the same thing for edit image as well. And there are two for view not login and view login. These are the two function, and there is a one more function for deleting. And let me show you the JS for uh, drawing the files. So there's a new drawing. So this is the JS for JavaScript file for drawing. So basically, what I do is like I set up the canvas. This is the my canvas, which is the ID for the canvas that I have on HTML. So this is the on mouse down event. It creates a new path object, and by default we have a stroke color of black, and it adds a point to the canvas whenever there's a click on it. On after that, on mouse drag, this is a function where if E, then we have a stroke color of white, which I use for erase. And the for R G Y B, this is the color that has been assigned to stroke color. And similarly, for by pressing 239, I change the stroke width at this point. For at this part of the code changes the stroke width. I think this is my project for the CSC438. Thank you, Professor, for all the help, and thank you.